hello, this is Saravanan. I am a belongs to Redis. I have some laptop issues. Then Google search review, followed multiple reviews. Ram Infotech Ambattur, it's a good review. So this is the first time I am getting into service of laptop. So I just checked up with them. So, but even though I have not heard at the time, the team is follow it's a good thing. Then once really after all the work done, the things I have noticed so they are good follow-up, and also they are crystal clear explanation they are providing, and also multiple options program. They are providing multiple options as per the your budget, so as well as the affordable. In final, this is the entire team. I'm really satisfied with the work actually, especially Ram Infotech Ambattur. Thank you.